Wow. Today we are trying buldak noodles for the first time. Can you believe I've never tried buldak ramen before? I think it's time to test it out and give you an honest opinion. So this is what it looks like after following the instructions. I added the whole sauce packet. Was I meant to do that? I'm not sure. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa. My tongue is burning. So spicy, but it's so good. Wow. Why is my nose red? Guys, I'm literally crying. My nose is leaking. My lips are on fire. My tongue is on fire. I don't know if I can continue this. Wow. Okay. I'm not even kidding. I'm literally crying. Why did no one tell me I should have not used the full packet of sauce? Oh my gosh. Okay, final bite because I think I might be dying. Okay, no more.